Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to add products to Shopify from Aliexpress, and it will be a complete guideline for you guys, and I will try my best to make it break down step by step so you can identify this video will be helpful for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here you can see we are already in our Shopify admin panel, and this is the couple of options or features over that place. And if you want to visit our online store, you can see it from that place where you will find out the interface, how easy it really looks like. And this is our products, and if you go over here into the headset, this is our product headset boya and many more. So without any further ado, so first of all we will dive into the main step. So our goal is to how to import Aliexpress product to Shopify. So that for reason we need to be go over here in the bottom in the left corner, just click over here setting. Then you just need to be find out the option called apps and sales channel. Just click over here and then visit your Shopify app store, and here you will redirect to a new tab. And here you can see it is a store similarly like Play Store or iStore, where you can download your apps for your mobile, as well as Shopify store works similarly where you are only allowed for download apps for your Shopify store. So here we are going to search Desert. This is a apps for using import Aliexpress products to your Shopify store. So I'm going to search Desert, and then as you can see we already get an suggestion over that place. And you need to be remembered that we have couple of other platform like importing these products to your Shopify store, but one of them I can say this Ali dropshipping is literally like relatively more convenient for Shopify. Like as you can see the rating panel here, we have almost 7,425 rating, and it's around 5.5 out of 5.5. so that for reason I will suggest you to use this one for your Shopify store. So as you can see it has open panel. Because of that I already installed it in my Shopify store. Here you can see Desert Aliexpress dropshipping has been installed here. So if you go over here, let's go back, and if you click on three dot, then here you can see we have option for uninstall. So I already installed it and my Shopify store, and if you see the pricing, if you found out that this is really free to install. Actually here we have both trial version for today. You can use this through also in case if you need it. And here you can see extra free will be needed if the amount of products exceeds the limit based on the user's level. Contact support to supply. So here let's go on to our dashboard panel. The process is really simple. Let's go with another app and I will tell you how it easy. So when you will arrive the app, that time you will get this kind of install option. Once you click over here, then they will give you the option to install it on your Shopify store, as well as it will be included or associated with this option. So here if you visit this place apps and sales channel, then you are allowed to see this one. So when you install your Desert Aliexpress dropshipping on your Shopify store, then you just need to be do some couple of works like create an account, then do whatever you need to be read information to make it relevant for you. Like let's click on open app, and then you will understand step by step. Like it will be a practical work for you, so it will help you to understand these apps furthermore. So when you will enter this app, they will give you option to create an account. So as you can see we already create an account, so we already redirect to the desert.com panel. It is a dashboard panel. Here you can see this is our account, we have this, and now here you can see they are asking for setup Desert account. So here you have tutorial and help center button. You can watch tutorial or you could click on help center, whatever you want. So I already did. So here I will read the guide. So start first, install the plugin first, easily import and sync supplier product to your Desert account, place order, make payments, sync order info, and automatically grab coupons. This may be perfect or good choice for you to install it. So now I will leave it, but you can install it for your Shopify store. Then I will sit in the next step, that will be I'm new and don't have products and order. I am new and I do not know how to use Desert to start my drop shipping business. It is an information doc, so you can download it or you can watch this video. So it's totally up to you. If are you relevant with information type docs or are you relevant with the videos, which one is suitable for you. And even once you complete all this necessary step, then we will go with the main step, that is import product. So once you've done here all the necessary steps, then you just need to be go on to the product features. Just go over here and here you will find out ads. Like already some people running their ads on TikTok or other kind of platform and they already get successful results. So you just need to be research like which product you want to work on. Like if you select a product and it does not work, then it will hell your life. So you will become broke and you will become desperate. So before publishing or work on a product or choose a niche, always research on, then choose a product to work. So here you can see we have couple of videos. You can check this out one by one and find out which one will be gorgeous for you. So once you're done, then go over here in the next step, next to the product research button, we will find out that call find products. Just click over here and it is a mini version, I can say the micro version of Aliexpress. So this is the Aliexpress. Here is the interface and here you need to be find out your desired niche from that place. So let's find out a watch. My niche is related to watch or headset, so I'm going to search the keywords to search here, like will be watch. Then click on search button, just click over here and then it will be give you some options called watch. Here you can see we have various options here, so I'm going to click one of them. So let's go over here and once I click over here or hover here, I will get option like supplier optimization, then add to import list, or I can copy link. Let's copy link and let's find out how I can optimize the supplier. Just click over here and it will open a new tab over that place. Here why you need the supplier optimization, like you can find similar product by uploading an image or entering product URL link. So you need to optimize because this supplier is really good or does he have bad reviews. You need to find out before choose a supplier. So I am going to copy a link and paste it here, then just click on search and they are uploading pictures over that place and I will see this one. This is optimization and now I think the result is really good. They have 4.5 review of 5, so it's maybe good. So I'm going to add this one. This had like 5 reviews, sale number 5, and all of them are give them 5, or I can choose this one. So now I am going to click on add to import list. Once I click over here, then you can see they are telling us the product import successfully. Please go to import list to check it. Let's go on to the check, or if you click on stay, it means it will be stay in here. Just click on check and now you have the option to push it to your store. Here let's go and check out our product list. Then you will identify that we don't have any new product and this is the product list. So I'm going to add a new product over that place. So here I will click on push store and now you can see this is the result and just click on push to stores. It will take a while and once it's done, then eventually you need to be visit over here and refresh your page. Once you refresh it, you will find out your product over that place. So you need to be wait a while. Go over here and status is like it is ongoing the process, so that's why it looks like. And now you can see our status has been green, so let's go over here and refresh it again. And then now you can see the result. We already get an product in our Shopify store, and we already now start our drop shipping. So here you can see the result. It looks really amazing. As you can see here, we have all the things. So now you can tell me how easy the process was. If you have any question related to this video, you can ask me on the comment box. And I hope you was till the end the video. I hope you loved this video. If you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.